We're not kids at a playground, right?
No.
He's the president of the USA.
When he won, I wished him well. Now, I don't care about him.
I just haven't got the time to respond to tweets from Donald Trump. I don't think we should be rolling out the red carpet to the President of the USA in the circumstances where his policies go against everything we stand for.
And this is the protection of the nation from foreign terrorist entry into the United States. We all know what that means.
And I think this ban on people from these 7 Muslim majority countries ending the refugee program is cruel and shameful.
We have places in London and other places that are so radicalized that the police are afraid for their own lives.
I think Donald Trump has ignorant views about Islam.
We have a new mayor of London, Sadiq Khan. He's the first Muslim mayor.
Congratulations.
He's been quite critical of you, as you know. He's attacked you for being ignorant. He says that if you're president, you'll make both our countries...
Let's do an IQ test. Ignorance.